funniest, most beautiful, handsome, talkative. Yeah, you I'm talking to. Oh, you're on there already, are you? That's where I should put it. Right there. Oh, what side do I go? This side? Yeah. Aww. Love you. How was your night? Really? Are you that hungry? I don't know if I put one there. Should I put some more there for you? Yeah. How's that better? Does that look like a better breakfast? You're welcome. You're welcome, darling. Well, oh, is that Mum's up there too? Hi, Mum. Yeah, the table is definitely better, I think. No more misbehaving, no more biting Steph's hand. Very good.